Update number 6 on the bully. Seems like they stained the wood on the front. That looks nice. That looks nice. All right, let's see what changes have happened on the inside. Okay, floor is in, but the floor was in last time. They haven't put the carpet in yet. Oh, bathroom. Bathroom is finished. Bathroom is finished. All right. Once again, they haven't put the carpet in this room yet, but this room is functionally done. Everything is done. This room gives you a nice view outside too. All right.
Oh, nice.
All right, so let's see. Last time.
Look at the fixtures.
Oh, the fixture wasn't here last time. Yeah. Fixtures are in. This looks nice now. Dishwasher's in. That's going out front. Cool. Oh, they painted the floor. So now we just got to get the walls done, and we're done.
Oh, look, the HVAC is in. How do you know the HVAC is in?
Yeah.
They got to patch this right here. See how that holds right here?
Right.
They have that and the carpet to do.
Yeah, it feels like 72 degrees. They're going to have neighbors with new stuff too. So they're working on that property while we're working on this one. All right. Update is happening. I think after we get the oh, that's a big difference than last time. Yep. Oh, do that again?
I'm gonna do it a couple times because you can change the.
Intriguing.
I don't know what that one does. Yes. Oh, it's a backlit. So,
Oh yeah, I see the backlit light come on now. Intriguing.
Beautiful. Look at this. This is a full vanity. So this goes
I like
to
that
the
better.
floor. Excuse me. Really?
Yeah.
The float is the thing. But that's nice.
Yeah.
That part was the float because the other part needs. Love this. I love this.
All right, so that's the update on the bully. This one is a nice little starter home. Be good for folk.
What I don't.
We're just starting out.
Oh, this is the defrost. If you need to defrost it, like you don't like the mirror to fog up,
Right.
That's the defrost.
Oh,
What I don't like is that.
yeah, that makes a difference.
Wow.
Yeah, it does make a difference.
HVAC guy has been here and
Ah, that's gonna be nice.
yeah.
So you're saying that we have to put something here?
We don't.
Yeah, we should put a little one of those door pieces here.
No, not on somebody else's refrigerator. That's something they.
Yeah, that has to be closed.
If I have to, we need a bag or something to make sure that's closed.
It's gonna be a nice yard when it's finished.
Yes, the yard is huge. Now. It is not. Oh, the little light.
All right, so yeah, this yard is gonna be nice. Put a fence right there. Yeah. Once again, all the trash is gone. All right, so this is the bully. Update number 6.